Welcome to this short video from Atlas Copco, showing you how easy the yearly service is on the Atlas Copco range of small oil-injected machines. Meet Dorothy. Dorothy has never carried out these procedures before, but today she will be performing the routine service procedures on our GX and GA models. Now, some major service procedures will always need to be carried out by an authorized service engineer, but the yearly service can be done by our customers directly, if they so wish. So like most practical jobs, preparation is the key, and the first information you will need is the serial number, and the serial number is located conveniently on the side of the machine. Take this serial number and the number of running hours the machine has and call your local Atlas Copco office and ask them for the service parts to fit this machine's maintenance schedule. You can order the parts in a kit form, making it convenient and easy to order. Kits are available for all Atlas Copco machines. We should also point out that using any non-Atlas Copco parts will void the warranty that comes with the product and will affect the machine's long-term performance. If you cannot locate your copy of the instruction book, then we also recommend that you ask your local office for a replacement copy and have this with you when you service the machine. Our number one priority when servicing the machine is we want you to be safe, and as such, certain procedures should always be followed. For a detailed list of all safety measures, you should refer to your manual. Always make sure you have suitable clothing, eye protection, and shoes. Firstly, switch the machine off, and then press the emergency stop button. When performing service, it is important you switch the machine off before pressing the emergency stop button. The machine we have today is a GX full-feature model, meaning that this machine has an integrated dryer, which also needs to be switched off. Then, isolate the compressor from the power supply. Close the air inlet valve and open the manual condensate drain, if your machine has one. Now, you are depressurizing the machine. So now we are ready to move on to the service, and the first step is to remove the panels using the appropriate tooling and put these panels somewhere safely out of the way. Next, we drain the oil, and we need to make sure we have a bucket or a drain pan at hand. Open the oil valve and drain the oil. Remove the oil filter by turning it counterclockwise and replace the filter element. Unscrew and replace the oil separator. Unscrew and replace the air filter. Release the belt tension by loosening the bolts and remove the belt. Now fit the new belt and ensure it is tightly fitted. Fill the oil tank with oil until the level reaches the middle of the sight glass. It is crucial to use Atlas Copco lubricants, as this way you can be assured that this will last you the full year without needing to be replaced. Dirty oil is the biggest cause of machine failure. Ensure the coolers are clean of dust and dirt. Unscrew the electrical panel and ensure the connections are all tight. Make a quick visual check for any oil residue and give the machine a wipe down before screwing the panels back on. Oh, and make sure to remove all your tools from the inside of the machine. Connect the machine back to the power supply and press the start button. The machine will start to pressurize. At this point, do a manual check for leaks. Environmentally responsible disposal of the replaced parts is essential, and they should always be disposed of in the appropriate manner. Now we move on to the service of a Plus model. The Atlas Copco Plus models feature more advanced technologies than our standard models and the advanced electronicon controllers. The service procedures are slightly different, but changing the oil, replacing the oil filter, and the air filter are just as simple. Kits can be ordered in the same way, and the same safety rules apply. Turn the machine off, isolate the power, and remove the door. Firstly, we drain the oil, and we need to make sure that we have a bucket or drain pan at hand. Open the oil valve and drain the oil. Remove the cover of the air filter by turning it counterclockwise and replace the filter element. Unscrew and replace the oil filter. Refill the machine with oil. Give the machine a wipe down, replace the doors, and power up the machine. Yearly service of the Atlas Copco range of small oil-injected machines is as simple as that. We are pleased you have chosen Atlas Copco, and we are confident the performance and energy savings provided by this machine will exceed your expectations. Now, like any high-performance equipment, such as your car, regular service and the use of genuine manufacturer's parts are essential to keep the machine running at its optimal performance. Thank you for choosing Atlas Copco.